Do you want to know how you can sign up in Fliki AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your account and sign up to your account using Fliki AI. All you need to do is click on these options. So if you want to create your account using Google, go ahead and click continue with Google. Now select your Gmail and then you can see you can press continue, and in a while you can sign into your account or you can sign up to your account. This was a video on how you can sign up in Fliki. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.